It's time to review the Off-White website. So this is the home page. It is January 15th, 2025. Let's browse. So this is what we have right away on the home page. You have these straight jeans for $862. Very cool styles just right off the bat on the home page. There's a little bit of everything. I see some jeans, I see some sneakers. I like the mix. I like the, they got backpacks, so and it's like a lot of black, obviously. Over here, you just see all these basic, nothing bright. You got boots. Here we have some color now. We're scrolling down to the color. I like how they put all the black pieces front and on the top. And then you scroll down and then it gets it has like the blue, then the beige. That's pretty neat. All right, so what's new? Let's click on new. What's new with men? All right, so we have this for $950. These carpenter pants, $690 for those sneakers. We have a charm for $120. We can sign up for a newsletter. Thank you. The pop-up. We have this heritage backpack, $925. Let's take a look at some icons, men's clothing. So you have this off skate tee for $238. Okay, I like the font. So they have a really cool font style. Men, let's say accessories, jewelry. What do we want to look at? Clothing. So here we have some men's clothing, some socks. Socks for $130. Interesting. All right, okay. Cargo pants, $1,500. Let's go to women. See if I like anything. All right, we're gonna go to clothing. All right, let's see what else we got. Those socks are on sale for $63. All right, going up. Kids. Now, homeware, what do we got? Okay, some gifts. Special items, maybe brand. Maybe it's just my internet's low. Okay, so we're just gonna scroll down. We're gonna skip to the bottom. Eyewear certificates, the corporate information, legal, store locator, jobs. I don't know. Not sure. Whoever's doing Off-White, you'll let us know as far as jobs, internships, salary range, about us. I don't really see a company about us section, but let's see, no YouTube. We do have Instagram, so let's go to Instagram. Follow them. They have 9.9 million followers. That's a lot. Alrighty, and then we're gonna go to Let's try to find them on YouTube. Off-White. Yeah, I don't know. I guess you're gonna have to channel. Yeah, let me know their channel. All right, so going back to their website. All right, so that is their website. Thanks for watching. Bye.